Here is the Ninja Espresso coffee maker. With this machine you can make three different things. Regular American coffee, here is where you put the filter. You can also select classic mode. You can reach up to 37, 55 ounces of coffee, or even 10 ounces or 8 ounces for just a little cup. You can have a rich mode. It give you less coffee but more rich, and coffee over ice. From this side instead you can use an espresso capsule, and I really like this feature because I like both coffee. You can have espresso, long or lungo, and over ice. I usually do lungo because I like longer coffee. And you can see now we're gonna just do a little test. You can also, as you can see this button, you can set a delay. You can set the time and set a delay. So if the time is set correctly and you say I want delay the coffee 8 hours, so you can basically program. It's not really a programming system that I like a lot, but it works. You can delay it. This is the tank for the water, so you can put a lot of water for several espresso, and instead for the American coffee maybe it depends of the quantity. I like they have this um, cup with this place to place it. Also you have this one to foam, create like a cappuccino kind of beverage with this frosting attachment. So my espresso using Nespresso capsule is done. Also you can move this part up and down depending your cup size. It has a big disposal capsule that usually I empty like every 2 weeks because it's so big. And you can also warm the coffee. There is a button to warm the American coffee. You also can close in case you want to really fast the coffee because you need to leave, but the coffee didn't brew all the way. So you can close in there, and so you can pour your coffee in your cup and you don't spill anything. So overall, I like this machine because you can do the Nespresso capsule and the American coffee.